Okay, so today we're kind of continuing on where we left off like a couple days ago, talking about playing over chords, talking about playing over chords basically, using the A minor or A pentatonic scale, and how can we play over chords. So in this particular scenario, we're taking a A minor chord and move into a F major chord, and then move into a C to a G. So again, that's A minor to F major, C to a G. Now if we were to take that and loop it like this, we just go A minor to F major, C major to G major. So let's try to walk that scale up that we were messing with, walk the two-note pentatonic. Oops, messed that note up a little bit. Again, we're playing A pentatonic over two strings, the E string and the B string. And we're just sliding up into different positions. So first position, second position, third position, fourth position, another, and then a full octave up. F major 7 actually, C to G. So let's break that down a little bit. Anyway, to kind of break that down a little bit, when we're playing over this A minor chord, the A pentatonic works, but it also works over this F major chord. Works over C major. Over to G major. So that scale works over those three different chords, A minor, C, so yeah, it's probably a little bit all over the place, but what I'm trying to say is A minor, A minor. You could play the A pentatonic scale, and then over F major, or F major 7. You could still play that same. So. It's F major 7 chord right there, and here's A pentatonic. A minor works, A pentatonic works over F major 7 as well. So if I just loop that F major 7 chord like this, and play that A pentatonic, and do those little walk-ups. Goofed up a note there. So what I'm doing is I'm playing the pentatonic. So y'all hear that, but it's how you decide to play it. If you decide to go, or just go, you know, you could slide up or you could bend the note. You guys kind of get what I'm saying a little bit. So not only can you play A pentatonic over F major, but you can also play it over C. Because if you think about it, this A minor chord, A minor 7 chord, the notes of C are in that chord. So if you play this bar chord, but if you just put an A in the root, you got an A minor chord, A minor 7 chord. And then there's where you get the F major 7. So. So trying to reach up and get that chord. I'm just going to play a different. So let me play the groove again. Let's see. Let's play this. So A pentatonic, F major 7, C, G, F major 7 again, C. There's a G. So that little lick I played there when I went, I walked up A minor. Sorry, I goofed up. So that's the A minor. But I ended on the notes to F major 7. Yeah. All right. So we'll continue with that later. Peace.